What could be better than spending time in the mountains with your loved ones, surrounded by comfort and elegance? Hi, I am Greta, the owner of Akaroa Chalet, and today I invite you to discover our Chalet Akaroa, the perfect place for your unforgettable stay. Chalet Akaroa is the perfect place for a memorable getaway with family or a group of up to 10 guests, with the option to add 2 extra spots for your loved ones. Here, everyone will find a cozy corner for privacy and relaxation. Enjoy the atmosphere of Alpine luxury and warmth. Let's take a look at the first bedroom on the ground floor with a hydrosoft sauna. It is equipped with a spacious bathroom with a large shower, allowing you to fully enjoy your comfort. You can reach the second floor by stairs or elevator. Here you will find 3 more bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and unique features. One with a bathtub with panoramic mountain views, another with a cozy 2-level bunk bed, perfect for children, and 1 bedroom with fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Upstairs, we find the 5th bedroom with king-size bed and a fireplace as well. Chalet Akaroa offers 380 square meters of refined style and comfort, where modern design blends with Alpine traditions. The interior is decorated with noble reclaimed wood, carefully restored to give the space a unique texture and cozy ambience. Every detail has been considered to make your stay as comfortable and relaxing as possible. An ideal choice for a family or friends retreat. Now I invite you to go down to the lower level, where you will find a private spa area. Here you will find a massage room, Turkish bath, Finnish sauna and whirlpool. And for the ultimate experience, there is an outdoor jacuzzi. This level also includes access to a private garage with an electric vehicle charging station, as well as a convenient ski room for your equipment. To make your stay truly unforgettable, we are delighted to offer customized services that are not included in the accommodation fee. Our private chef will create a personalized menu, perfectly tailored to your preferences. And a wine tasting with a professional sommelier will provide an amazing experience. Personal training session, relaxing massage, a gourmet breakfast basket or a transfer. We have everything arranged to your complete comfort. Please book these services at least 1 week in advance to ensure quality and a high level of service. Our chalet is located in Livigno, known as the Little Tibet, and the venue of the Winter Olympics Milano Cortina 2026. The nearest ski lift is just a couple of minutes walk from the chalet. The accommodation rate starts at €1,380 per night and may vary depending on the period. The minimum stay is 7 nights, but we can do some exception. Contact me via the link below this video to inquire about available dates and additional services. Indulge in the luxury of Chalet Akaroa. Book your stay today while dates are still available, and savor every moment of comfort and relax.